Hi learners, is glad to see in Krishna's space. Today is the day 65 of our 300 days DSA journey. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it. So today's problem is number of good pairs. Here we have given an array of integer called nums and we have to return the number of good pairs. So now let's understand what pair can be a good pair. So they have given a pair ij is called good if nums of I is same as nums of j and I should be less than j. So that means if we want a good pair, for that in our array we should have the duplicate elements. Now let's understand this problem more better with the help of examples. So as we can see in the example 1, we have given an array and the output is 4. So that means we can create 4 good pairs and those are 1 1. The position of ones are 0 and 3, and then we can create 1 1 at the position 0 and 4, and then the ones which are at 3 and 4, and the last one will be 2 and 5, basically 3 and 3. So that's how we can create 4 pairs. Same in example 2, we have given the array and the output is 6 because we can create 6 pairs with the help of 4 ones. So how we can make 4 pairs? You can think as one will have chances to make pairs with 3 ones, then second one will have chances to make pairs with 2 ones, and the third one will have chances to make a pair with the last one. So when we are going to add them all, we will get answer 6. And if someone knows a little bit of combination, so we can calculate it by NC2, and currently n is 4. So when we are going to do 4C2, we will get the answer 6. And now let's get into the example 3, and the output is 0 because the frequencies of each element here is only 1. And if we want to make a good pair, so we need the frequency of element greater than 1. That means it can be 2, 3 and more than that. So now let's understand how I have solved this problem with the help of code. In the first line, as you can see, I have created a result variable in which I have put 0 because if we don't get any good pairs, we have to return 0. Thereafter, I have created a dictionary called frequency in which I am getting the frequencies of each elements from my array. After getting the frequencies, I am running a loop in my dictionary in which I am getting only those elements which have frequency more than 1, and in my result I am putting the number of good pairs which can make with the help of current element. And if you want to calculate the number of good pairs, so as I said, we can actually use NC2, and if we elaborate NC2, so we will get n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So let's take the example 2 to understand this formula more better. So as we can see, 1 has the frequency 4. So in my result, I will get the answer 4 into 3 divided by 2. So we will get the answer 6, and in the last we are going to return that answer. So that's how I have solved this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment. And thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.